everyone, today I'd like to show you how to do some basic tasks with WordPress today. First of all, I will show you how to reset your password. Once you log in to your account, you click to the icon at the top left, top right here, choose security, then type in your new password, then just click save. Another way, if you totally forgot your password, you can choose log your password and then type in your username or email address to get new password again. Secondly, I will show you how to add an image to the media library. You need to go to WordPress admin page. So this is your admin page. You choose media here, add new, select files, then choose the image you want to add. Now it's uploading here, then to edit the image metadata, click to the image you want to edit, give it some designated text, so I add some basics like this. You can choose edit more details if you want. Then to see it, you can choose here to see how the image appear, and then to delete, to remove it, delete permanently. Okay, now it completely removed. Next, I will show you how to do some basic styles with your post. Of course, you need to create a new post. At the side here, choose post, and then add new here to create a new post. Edit it by add some detail here. You can click here to save draft if you don't want to publish it yet, and then you can review it to see how it appears on your post. And back again, you should publish so everyone can see your post here. It's not a wrap anymore. Now let's back here to see your post. View. This is how to see your post. And then to edit, click edit. Here I will add some blocks here. An image. Then choose update. To update it, view it again. So this is how your post appear. Then go back to your post, and if you want to delete your post, you just need to click trash here. Now it is deleted. Okay, so the final step to do your post is how to restore your post to an earlier version. I will choose this post, choose edit. You click to the settings here. It will show you how many versions you have for this post. I'll click here to see. I want to see previous post so that I can restore it. For example, I choose this, I restored it. Now it's back to an earlier version of it. Want to see it? Click preview. How is it restored? Let's see once again if it really restore. View. So that's all for today for how to work some basic stuff with WordPress. Hope you enjoy it and see you next time.